Okay, so have you ever seen noodles made out of tofu skin? Not tofu, not noodles, tofu skin noodles. They've got this bite you won't get from regular noodles, and once you know how to cook them properly, they soak up flavor like nothing else. Let me show you. We're starting with the pork. Lean pork, cut into strips or thin slices, whatever you prefer. Into the bowl it goes with light soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, a pinch of white pepper, a splash of white wine, some cornstarch, and a little oil. Now, here's the thing people rush. Don't! Give it a good mix, then let it sit for a full 30 minutes. That cornstarch and oil combo is doing real work here. It's what gives you that silky, tender texture instead of dry, chewy pork. Trust the wait. While that's marinating, let's deal with our star ingredient. Boil a pot of water, add a bit of salt, and blanch the tofu skin noodles for about 2 minutes, just enough to soften them up. Then, and don't skip this, drain them and rinse immediately under cold water. This stops the cooking and keeps the noodles from turning mushy or sticking together in one big clump. Nobody wants that. Now we build flavor. Heat oil in your wok until it's shimmering. Then in go the ginger and garlic, just until it turns fragrant, maybe 20-30 seconds. Your kitchen should already smell incredible at this point. Add the marinated pork straight in and stir fry for about 10 minutes until it's cooked through and starting to caramelize a little at the edges. That's flavor you can't fake. Toss in the edamame beans, then pour in a bowl of water. Cover it and let that simmer for 5 minutes. This is where everything starts talking to each other. Season it with a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar, just enough to round out the flavor. Now, the moment we've been building toward. In go the tofu skin noodles. Let them soak up all that sauce. Add your spring onions, a bit of chili if you like a little heat, and mix everything together so every strand gets coated. Cover it one more time, cook for another 5 minutes, then finish it off with a cornstarch slurry to bring everything together into that glossy, restaurant-style sauce clinging to every noodle. And that's it! Plate it up while it's hot. Honestly, if you've never cooked with tofu skin noodles before, this is the recipe to start with. It's simple, it's quick, and it tastes way more impressive than the effort it takes. If you tried it, or you're planning to, drop a comment and let me know. And if you want more recipes like this one, hit follow, because there's a lot more where this came from.